So let me enjoy this very short moment I have in the car to keep this vlog up to date, you know, because I'm not very regular, as I said. First point of order for this week's vlog, I'm gonna share with you, because I've been ordering quite a lot of things on the internet right now. In terms of ecological point of view, it's an absolute disaster, but I need it for my project, so you know, we can't find it in France. So yes, I've ordered quite a number of parts. First of all, these two things, well, here from China. Oui, très bien, très bien.
De la chaleur.
That's the first thing first. That's empty. That's Chinese, obviously. Now that's empty. So, cool. Alors tiens, regarde mon père. Ça c'est cool. Next box. Là en ce moment, là j'ai fait un... Non, ça on va voir ce que ça vaut. Je sais pas ce que ça vaut en qualité. Yes, that's the other part of what I ordered. Another part. I mean, there's still some on the way, but that's the next thing. And that's really the point of having a way to be more precise in your work. Let me hold that for you, so I can really like make it slide in a very clean and proper way. So it's not like extreme accurate precision stuff. I mean, it only cost me about like half $100. But it's a good shit for the price, isn't it? And also an oscilloscope, which actually helped me a great deal. For instance, you can have fun and try what an SDI signal from a camera on the oscilloscope look like. So that's cool. And hey, can you see me? I've also made great progress with that. And I could still squeeze the size with CMS components, and instead of this wiring and actual board, it could be like maybe be cranked up in this much space, so it'd be cool. There's that. And what else? Yes. Right now I'm working on the audio part, which means that if I connect my microphone here. So far, this microphone is actually not phantom powered. I have a battery inside, which is handy. But basically, if I'm speaking there, you can maybe see the yellow channel going ba boom ba boo. You. That's my voice that you can see there. And I'm assuming, yeah, this is actually, so the yellow channel is the input signal. And the purple is supposed to be the amplified one, but I haven't turned the amplifier on. And now it's on. So we have about, if you look at the ratio, we have 200 millivolts and we have 2 volts here. So if I were to put at the same scale, it would be nuts. It would be something like that. As you can see, it's amplifying the signal quite a lot, maybe too much even. So right now it's just an easy way to measure the gain I'm having on this amplifier, but it really helped me with the transient on the other board, on the other circuit there, to find out what was going on here. What else? Next point of order. Tonight's gonna be fun, but I want to fit, I want to blend in and look good. So to do that, well, I gotta change all this. So let's check that. So what do you think? Huh? Think like a sheep? Better. Well, part 2 of our day. Let's meet Luca now. On est au niveau des marches. À toutes. ¿Dónde están? Quoi? Tu filmes là? Mais oui, c'est dégueulasse ce que tu fais. Ouais, je sais. Mais il faut dire que j'accommode Luca à la caméra au fond. Non. Ah. Hein? J'aime bien regarder les gens pendant l'opéra. So second half so far, mixed feelings, interesting setting, yes, and we'll talk extensively about it later, n'est-ce pas? Ouais, beau gosse. So I'm back here at the cube, but the server is full, so I'm debugging remotely. Can I have a Windows Explorer now? He didn't like it. Can I? Oh, is it still working? Yeah, it still is. Gestion des tâches. What the fuck, man? Okay, that we can delete. Because, I mean, actually, this disk is, okay, God, 238 gigabytes. Watch out, 6 shows.
Mais elle est tombée.
It's a pumpkin pie for Halloween. Yay, that's the first. Ça, on va voir quel goût ça a. Il m'a écrit, il m'a dit...
Parce qu'il est dans le nord. On va écouter, hein.
Ça va? Non.
Taper les gosses là-bas.
Je vais taper les gosses. Vraiment? C'est pas mal, hein? Vas-y, fais voir, ça fait quel bruit?
T'es content?
Ouais. Non, ça ferait un bon cadeau, je pense. Voilà. And this is here Christmas tree, they are decorating it.
Voilà.
Tu veux vraiment ta licorne, Lolo? Tu veux ta licorne?
Xavier, il veut acheter la licorne pour lui.
Non, il veut la licorne. So, okay, it's bird. Tonight is Halloween, and well, I've been shopping with Arno for Marina's birthday, but now I had to abandon that. Okay, trop fort pour mes lèvres. I had to leave him because now we have a reservation with Anne-Sophie and Jean-Michel at the Matsumotoya. Because as every Halloween we try to see ourselves, it's sort of a tradition, so you know, happy Halloween. Well, forgot to film. Was good, wasn't it? Vous avez kiffé? Oui. Ils sont mimi, le bisou, le bisou. Bon bah on est puni, on n'a pas le droit on n'a pas le droit au gâteau. Puni. Hein? Toi aussi, Marina, faudra attendre jusqu'à tes 24 ans hein, pour les gâteaux. Hein. Voilà. Ah si. À lire à voix haute, hein. Tant qu'à faire. Oui. Il y a un autre message, Nono. Si tu veux dire.
Mais tu vas attendre toutes les premières
C'est tout. T'as mis des noms.
En fait, si tu veux, c'est tradition chez les Munch de mettre un petit mot sur le cadeau en général.
Okay,
alors en général, non.
Première chinois.
Parce qu'on a voulu orienter la thématique.
Non, c'est pas Munch.
Arrache tout.
Non, mais fais pas tomber.
Par contre, il y a le pack cadeau pour enfants.
Attends, cache-le parce que
J'ai
c'est
dit la même chose.
Parce que c'est mignon.
Cache-le, c'est un petit cochon en fait. Cache-le un peu. C'est un...
En fait, c'est Arnaud qu'il faut que je filme, c'est pas Marina.
Non, c'est...
Non.
C'est important.
Ils m'ont mis un petit nid là. Merci. Encore en première chinois.
Oui.
J'en ai une foutu
Vous êtes trop avancés.
Non, pas du tout. C'était un grand débat entre Arnaud et moi sur la nature des cadeaux. Jusqu'où fallait-il pousser le bouchon?
On a pressé tout le monde pour aller à la table avant. Non,
mais c'était surtout pour les gâteaux, de toute façon.
Putain, j'étais bien dans le thème, tu vois, je fais exprès. Je mets juste sur les...
C'est mes sweets.
Il y a un panda, c'est...
bon, chef?
Merveilleux! Oui, c'est parfait. Je préfère ça là, moi. Ouais.
Ça a l'air d'être... Allez, coucher, la fête peut commencer.
Bon bah tout le monde rentre, c'est...
J'ai relevé le couteau, moi.
Luca, voilà,
Today we're making
c'est là que dans un
waffles.
quart d'heure, il est là. En disant, oh, je vais mieux.
And later on we'll try it with actual Canadian maple syrup. Okay, so hopefully today will be the last day of a wonderful journey. So recently I've been ordering quite a number of things abroad for my prototype. I needed quite a lot of stuff which came from the States, from Chinese. Well, not quite ecological, you'll say, but I mean, anyway, the last parcel, which is still on the go, which I'm actually going to pick up right now, is actually the 3D printer. And I had a bit of a trouble with that because, well, the Chinese made a mistake with the address. They inverted 2 numbers, so couldn't be delivered at my address. And I asked for it to be, instead of contacting the Chinese folks and hustling with them, I said, well, if you can have it delivered in Celesta, I'll pick there. And then the lady from the town right next to us told me, like, well, I'm gonna send it to Celesta. She's like, what? No, if you're right next to me, just keep it. I'll come and get it. Which I'm going to right now because apparently they couldn't find it on Friday. So, we'll see. Should be exciting though. So yeah, we got it, man. Well, they did change the color. My parents used to have their office right there. Where's this crèche, whatever. Okay, let's check this out. Ready for it. Oh, okay, yeah. So, it just finished, and now it's cooling off. Okay, cooling down.
Il avait dit qu'un jour, ils sont sortis un jour. Donc là, on a mis. Alors,